Good afternoon, Wildcats. I'm Nathan Haywood, coming to you live from Main Street in South Whitley, Indiana, and also practicing social distancing. And similar to many of you in Wildcat Nation, this evening, starting at 11:59 p.m., we'll be doing the stay-at-home order going forward as issued by Governor Holcomb. Now, what does that mean for us as Wildcats? Well, luckily, it doesn't mean much different than what we have currently been doing, operating day to day, and that's because that we took some necessary steps earlier in the week to make sure that we could help out in advance. That also means our meal service is still going to be going on, as will our Wi-Fi. We know many of you are excited about the mobile hotspots that we've been working on, and we also want to say thank you for being patient with us while we roll that out. We wanted to make sure we did a good job at meal delivery first before we got into the Wi-Fi hotspots, and we've tested some of those hotspots over the weekend, and we hope to bring those to you soon. But in the meantime, we have some really exciting news about meal service. One of the things that we didn't depend on or know was how many meals that we would be serving, how many meals would actually be delivered or prepped each day. And so each day, our free meal delivery team is prepping and delivering about 421 bags of food each day. And what that actually means in real terms of meals is 842, that's right, 842 meals total. That's breakfasts and lunches. Remember, each bag contains one lunch, one breakfast, and when you receive that meal, if you could do us a favor, just keep on saying thank you to those delivery drivers and those delivery personnel that are coming up and handing those meals to you if you can. Each time you do, I guarantee you're going to see a big smile on their face, and they're going to be sure to pass that along, that big thank you that you gave, they're going to pass that along to the rest of the team. But just because we are working from home, that doesn't mean we can't maximize social distancing to its best, and so here it is, Wildcat Nation. We have some drone footage just for you of some of the deliveries that we were able to capture on film earlier today. Take a look. We really are fortunate to have people each and every day who are coming in and prepping meals and then making sure that they're delivered just to you. For all of us here, Whitko Community Schools, I'm Nathan Haywood. We'll see you next time.